Hey guys, I'm here. This is my YouTube channel, The Garden Givers. So guys, don't forget subscribe my channel and like my video. I hope you all will be fine. So guys, today I'm telling you about dialogue importance. Dialogue importance. Dialogues are important for many reasons. Here are some of them. Easier to ignite. Dialogues have a lower moisturizer content, which means they are easier to ignite than wet logs. They can save your time and efforts when starting a fire. Cleaner burn. When wood is burned, moisture in the wood evaporates and produces steam. If the wood is wet, the steam produced can corrode and smoke and soot, which can be harmful to your health and create a build-up of creosote in your chimney. Dry logs burn more cleanly and produce less smoke. More efficient heat. Dry logs burn more efficient than wet logs, which means they produce more heat for the same amount of wood. This can save you money on heating cost over time. Longer storage life. If you have plan on storing logs for an extended period, it is best to use dry logs. And look at these beautiful dry dry logs. Look at this. Beautiful images. Beautiful pictures. Wet logs cannot Wet logs can rot and become unusable over time, while dry logs can be stored for longer periods without losing their quality. Overall, dry logs are a better choice for heating and cooling purpose because they are easier to ignite, produce less smoke and so burn more efficiently and have a longer storage life. Look at these beautiful pictures of garden. Yeah.